ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ is all about the word and sentences for the words related to the relations. Okay, in the last video we learned about the words related to the days and time and also the some simple basic sentences. Similarly we'll do in this topic also. Most of you might have already know the relations, but still we'll learn from the beginning. First one is mother. Mother andre amma. The next is father. Father andre appa. The next is sister. So here the sister is elder. So elder sister I'll call as a akka. And the younger sister ge I'll call as a tangi. It's a ta sounding. So do not pronounce as a tangi. It's a tangi, ta sounding. Then brother. So elder brother I'll call as a anna. So very important here, the pronunciation of a na has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Anna. If you say anna, that is a cooked rice. So when you say when the tongue tip will touch your teeth, anna, that is cooked rice. That is not a brother. So be very careful when you pronounce anna. Okay, anna. Mostly we converse with the auto drivers, vegetable vendors, or any customer, any vendors that you are having a contact, where you have a communication with, hotel alli. So most of the places will be using mostly akka and anna. Most of you might have doing that one, right? Yes. Next one will go for younger brother. So if you observe, younger brother and younger sister both starts with a thumb. So here it is tamma. Tangi, tamma. Tangi is a younger, tamma is a brother. Younger sister, younger brother. Okay. So next one is grandfather. Grandfather is tata. Tata. Sometimes we also call ajja. Okay. And the grandmother. So grandmother is ajji. And we don't call tati. No, tati word is not there. It's ajja, ajji, and for tata we have a special. The grandfather we call as a tata. Okay. And the next one is son. S-O-N is maga. And this maga you might have heard in a conversation, especially when the adults they have a conversation. They'll be like, "Ein maga, ein samachara." So just like using a macha. So yar. So kya yar? Ein macha, yana macha. So in those kind of a slang, I can still use the maga. Okay, but you can't use for the daughter one. Okay, mostly we don't use that one. So daughter andre magalu. And here make sure the lu has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Magalu. Daughter is magalu. Son is maga. Okay, so clear with this one? We'll go with the simple sentences agidre. Amma. ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮ is not feeling well. ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ. Next one is ಅಪ್ಪ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ has gone out. ಅಪ್ಪ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Next is ಅಕ್ಕ. ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. My sister is not in house. ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕ ಮನೇಲಿ in the house ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ is not there. ತಂಗಿ. ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. My sister is reading. ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Next ಅಣ್ಣ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಮ್ಮ. ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮೈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್. ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆರ್ ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬ ತರಲೆ. ಮೈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಯಂಗರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನಾಟಿ. ತರಲೆ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನಾಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ತಾತ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ನನ್ನ ತಾತ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ತುಂಬ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಾಯಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಗ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ. ಮೈ ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ 5 years old. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು 5th grade ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು 5th grade ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. She is studying in a 5th grade. ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. So all these things are there in the tenses lesson. So the tenses lesson you will get in the spoken Kannada playlist. So please go and learn the tenses from those videos. Okay na? So these are the words and sentences related to the relations. I hope ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. It has been useful to you. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ if you have any concerns, comment ಮಾಡಿ or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I'll be very happy to help you. So share this video with your friends who are learning Kannada, who have started to learn Kannada and who are interested to learn Kannada. ಅವರಿಗೆ share ಮಾಡಿ. Do not forget to check the playlist, and also you can buy the spoken Kannada e-book for your practice kit. So more information will be there after this video about the e-books. So thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more video very soon ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2 vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.